What up, investors? What up, trader? Ken here from Dyslexic Investor, and we're going to be looking at the overall. The Senate reached a deal for a massive $2 trillion spending plan, bailout, whatever you want to call it. It was passed basically around 2 a.m. Late or early Wednesday morning. So we're just going to break down some of the more into what it goes, how it's going to affect individuals. So under the plan, if you're single and you make around under 75, you're going to get 75K a year. You're going to get a $1,200 check. And if you're a couple making under 150, you're going to get double that. And then for each additional child, it's 500. This does remove some provisioning on extending the benefit for lower incomes. So the benefits will decrease for those who are making above 75. But they'll cap it at 100K, and then individuals basically at 200K. The bill, more importantly, will have roughly $100 billion in assistance for hospital, which is extremely needed. $350 billion in assistance for small businesses. So this is your mom and pop stores, basically a lot of companies and businesses that are under 150, 250, 300 employees. And then a massive $500 billion in aid for corporations, airline companies, cruise lines, and that have been hurt substantially through the pandemic of the coronavirus and COVID-19. So there are some, because they're trying to get this bill passed extremely fast because the unemployment lines are basically going to be ramping up, and a lot of people trying to file for unemployment. They're saying that they're expecting nearly 2.5 million additional unemployments coming the next week or two, which is quite substantial. And so this is due to the money. There are some restrictions on how the companies can use it. So we learned our lesson, which I made the video just yesterday about the airlines on not being able to do the various buybacks and different various functions like that. Looking forth, you can kind of see that the market's kind of slowly digesting it and looking forth to a particular bounce that did sell off a little bit. So we'll break it down. So again, this was paid basically around 2 a.m. Again, futures market, it kind of sold off just slightly, but it held to 21, and then it kind of rallied basically from 24.20 to nearly 80 points. Is that, maybe 60 points, maybe 70 points, 80 points, okay. And then it just, from that point, it kind of sold off, and now we're kind of back around the average, what we've seen. We see a lot of momentum kicking up here, potentially for a test of the highs in the pre-market, which we're going to put out a couple alerts here. Boom. Seeing if they can break that coming into today. Looking at a much longer time frame, you can see here that we're looking to get to this yellow line here, which again is the 21 exponential moving average, which I consider the average, the middle, the mean of the trading averages. I think potentially we can get up to here with the next couple days. A lot of momentum has shifted due to a lot of people getting somewhat relief. There are still not the complete details because, again, this was just passed a couple hours ago on having people get these checks in the mail as quick as possible. So I'm pretty sure they're printing those off as quick as they can. So looking forth on understanding on what's going on, we're going to see hopefully a nice little bounce back. So if we look at this and then you look at UAL, which we own a position for the portfolio, it's up about $5. So we're going to go here to the smaller time frame, and you can see here it closed basically yesterday at 33 even, and it bounced up all the way to 39. So we're going to create an alert here as well at or above, and we want to stay above the 33. What is that? 33.58. So we want to do that or above. Again, these are parameters. These are alerts most likely will be executed today. And moving forward, to kind of see what happens. Projecting that, again, I think we can easily break the 40 limit within this. And then another one that we love is also LUV, Love and Southwest Airlines. Basically kind of the same pattern, traded up to 43. I'm looking at for it to break 42.88 easily today, and potentially going up to 47 by the end of the week if other great news is coming out, because in the short term things are pretty much, I don't like to use the word fixed or completely doing well, but we are gapping up quite a bit this morning, gapping up potentially for a gap up. So we just look at SPY for everyone here. We're going to be opening up just slightly higher or even, because again the market's still digesting. It's only 9 a.m. here. The market's open up in about 32 minutes, so a potential jump higher to the 248 level in SPY, and I'm looking for a potential slowdown around the, I'm going to put another alert here. So I'm putting these alerts out so you're able to kind of follow it and put it on your charts if you so choose. So I'm just going to put these alerts out here and above here or below. So basically I don't want it, I want it to stay above 234. I want it to break 248. If it breaks 248 and holds, then it's 256 and then 268. I don't think this is going to happen within a day, but this could happen within the close of Friday. We could have a pretty nice gap up. I think we're probably going to end up, we're going to draw a little bit. I like ovals. I think we can end up, oop, come on. Probably, come on. There we go. Probably in this region sometime by the end of the week, and then potentially trading sideways, and then maybe testing just a little bit lower down to like the 244, 242 level for a potential bounce back substantially higher. This is, I'm very happy and to check out, to see what's happening and being able to see the markets move. Disney is getting a nice little rebound. I'm happy about that. I'm an owner of that. BA is getting a bailout as well. Like they're going to be hitting 150 here soon. So that's where see my price target at 148, and they're going to probably surpass that once they open up. And then of course it's the other price target here is at 187.56. That's going to move just slightly. A couple other stocks that I'm looking at, of course, is Tesla. So Tesla is, of course, on everyone's mind. Fantastic company. They're helping make ventilators. I'm looking for them to break 524 again, which it looks like they're going to do that in the earnings. This early morning hours. They're at 245 right now. If it breaks that, potentially going to 563.59, and then potentially trading in around that range for a close substantially above that, on contingent on having everything else go well in the market in the next couple days. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please leave in the comments section down below and I'll get to you. And if you want to email me or anything for just a little bit more picking and seeing what I'm doing, giving my opinion, just email at dyslexicinvestor@gmail.com, and I'll put that in the comment section below as well. Again, guys, stay safe, take it easy, peace.